saat ini taklai cini school ni coming session education mana academic session ko jeng kini o tamna khobor thonai bisni jeng pina nai dongo cini o school hakai tabse dora 34 plus 35 years roni mano mo choli dongo and it is run by under the CBSE New Delhi affiliated. Now it is run up to class 10, but we are supposed to upgrade up to class 12 also. Kachino school tabuk number of 300 plus tongo staff totaling almost 26 staffs, including male and female staffs and other non-teaching staff also. Besides, we have wardens, lady warden, gents warden, and we have so many other facilities like we have hostel facilities for both boys and girls. Now intake capacity is already 75, and we can provide. Sengte both like 50 jon abo chung mo hostel facility di mana aba chini power tongo chung asa klayo. Tai ok total session 2025-26 so. Chini student te bostrang bangna bagai chung advertisement morika tabe umuni bising tu chung sai tongo chini admission chung haina sung 15 jora khame kintu haina hai chung taisa chini committee decision khai chung 25 March jora sung extend khai difuka বিশেষ khai mo chongja mangkai chini dofa ba chini local borok mo hamkrai thu hnai mo before 34 years since kono mo establish khaji mane chini ro facility tongo hostel facility both boys and girls. Boys and girls and Thai girls ibo alada facility tongo which was intake capacity approved by the already tribal welfare department earlier, and now we have so many other facilities like smart classes also we have fixed. We have bought 4 class monitor, I mean a smart class monitor. We already fixed one also, and we are trying to learn in a full swing in the coming days. And beside this, we have computer lab and science lab, other composite lab also. Tai amun sekarang cini playground botongo, tai bus service botongo. Amun logi cini other facility curriculum, tai cini tamunai sports game ni hoi debo cung ketal introduce khane bagi cung cesta khai tongo. Cini abo tabu tamunai proceeding cung cini committee bo decision nawi tongo cung asa klayo o chini school chung taklai cho chung 12 manang tapno chung sibe bai kokbor salai tongo nang ka chung bor bai communicate sob somoy nangai tongo so that it can be upgraded and affiliation up to class 12 chung chini icha tongo chung 11 o arts science commerce obai khungla bagai chung chini laboratory bo chung joton ready ka chini committee ro ba hai thik thak khlai ta chung tongo. That aspect from this government side also, they are coming forward, China Satongo, to develop and to upgrade this school as much as possible for the betterment of this downtrodden people by the surroundings. Sanatha angka China Gana gini school abo hai ba market ko sera kom kachimana kari uma bagai umo kasha Chini oroni local ni ekta umo one of the center hai ngtoka chengomo na jasa kepono develop khlai Chini loko tai chini do pha no kisa sung busang da butang mano abo hai ching saklo বিশেষ khai ching jodi phiron ko khana ka jara ekdom weaker section othoba orphan ni bagi bo chini kisa alada facility dongo ঠিক ন chung na ka guardian khai ching ma ching kor kaham kai salai ching abo hai ব্যবস্থা khai mo ching no chung abo hai wan su dongo chung jotono ko yor norok je enable phirina ni moto ba huslo dongna moto abo hai samorthok kori rogno sung koina mo sungo nor phai chingmai malai phaidi malai phai ching kaham haima salai bubo hai saboni ching khlai mano jotoni to chungri me aphono jara ekdom nidi jara downtrodden but those who are very weak BPL logno chung kisa bhai kaham chinta khlai mana bagai chung wan sola jak abni bagai o bisoi no bono no pino thumna khobor thumna bisina chana musungo nor komono jotono saiman mai tai chini elakani borobo saimani daki khlai chinoro admission ba form na hoi baitung ba board dinam gacha saklai tung tai chini takle te bo ekta m tongo hostel tai 50 hostel number 50 chung bai na bagai chung nok bo dokti ni taknai tai chinoro other medical facilities and others playground tai other kalikorom bo chung te bo side by side chung apni improve khainai taklai chini asa tongo chini by left hand half boy chuna helping hand action खालामनाय बिजोंथै जों चिनो स्कुल ता किसा बसकां जों आउट खालामना बागै जों खाथुङै दङ एबं जों वा सुगै दङ बेले बेले खाना